In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pre-filled links for Google Forms. This is a really handy trick that can save you time and ensure your forms are filled out more quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive into the process together. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google Forms. If you haven't created your form yet, start by doing that. But if you already have an existing form that you'd like to create pre-filled links for, just open that up. It's important to have an idea of the fields you want to pre-fill because that's the whole point of what we're doing today. Once your form is open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see an icon that looks like an eye. That's the preview button. Click on it, and it will take you to a preview of your form as respondents will see it. Now, here's the part where the magic happens. Scroll through your form and find the fields that you'd like to pre-fill. Enter your example answers just like a respondent would. What this step does is it prepares the next step in creating the link that will do this for everyone else automatically. After entering your sample responses, look for the three-dot menu icon on the top right of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Get Pre-Filled Link. Click on this, and Google Forms will generate a URL for you. It's important to let the page load completely because this link will take parameters from your sample inputs. Copy that link. You can share it directly with anyone you want, or even embed it in a button or hyperlink in emails or documents. When someone clicks on this link, they will be taken to your form, and the fields you've pre-filled will be filled out with the responses you entered earlier, making it simpler for form submitters to complete their input. Some people like to use URL shorteners for an easier-to-share link. While optional, this can be done using various online tools that convert long URLs into shorter versions, which might be more convenient depending on how you intend to share the link. And that's it. You've now created a pre-filled link for your Google form and are ready to streamline the response process for anyone who receives your form. Use this technique whenever you want to make the form filling experience faster and more intuitive for your respondents. It's particularly useful for recurring tasks or when you're prompting someone with known data points. Thanks for joining me today, and happy form building.